Hi everyone, Siavash here, and in this quick video, I just want to give some updates for those of you that previously used our platform and you're trying to onboard new clients, either using Jane, Cliniko, PT Everywhere, and connecting them to high level. So as you might have noticed, our new website is clinicsyncpro.com. It's completely rebranded and redesigned. And this is specifically for those of you that are going through my YouTube videos, my older YouTube videos, and asking about, hey, where do I put my private integration key? Or where do I add my location ID? Those are the things that we're doing before. Now we actually have the direct OAuth connection with high level. We also have a marketplace app with high level as well, so you don't need any of those location ID and private integration key. So basically, what you need to do if you have already have an account with us, just come here, click on login, or if you don't have an account, you just click on sign up and provide your email address. Once you log in or sign up, if it's your first time and you're signing up, you want to go ahead and connect your GHL. This is basically take care of all those location ID and private integration key that you previously have. If you already have your connections and you just logging in to see your dashboard, you can just click on skip for now. And once you do that, you will see your connections showing up in here. Now, a couple of things that I want to mention is the status that you're seeing in here on the status column. This is your subscription status, okay? So if it says not active, it means that you haven't provided any subscription. If it says the active is obviously is running, and the other option would be trialing that we don't see it in this view. Now, the sync section on this right hand side, this is basically every time that you think that something is broken or maybe it's not working, you can come here and have a look at the last sync. This will give you the date and time of the last sync and was it active or it was an error. If you see an error, most likely there is something wrong with the connections, either between our middleware and GHL or within the Jane. Usually happens when you change your credentials with Jane or change your credentials with GHL. So you want to make sure that you come in here. If you change your credential, you just go ahead and click on Edit. For example, in this case, you just click on edit and it will open up the credential editor. And then in here, you just basically update your credentials. If the issue is with your GHL connection, you can just click on reconnect GHL. Or if you want to, for example, let's say there was an issue with your subscription, you can click on fix billing and update your Stripe account. Now, for those of you that are bored and you think you don't know how to cancel your subscription, if you delete your connection in here, the subscription and the connection and the sync all together, they are going to be deleted and canceled. So you don't need to contact us to cancel your subscription. It's pretty simple, pretty easy. We're not holding anyone. You just click delete in here and it will delete the connection and also cancel the subscription. Now, for those of you that have an agency and you want to give custom menu links to your clients to be able to connect their Jane or PT everywhere, these are our new custom menu link. You just copy and paste them and provide it to them. But again, make sure that you tell them that, hey, the accounts that you're going to use, if it's your first time, make sure that there is no 2FA. For the first sync, the 2FA needs to be disabled. Once that's done, then they can go and enable the 2FA. And on top of that, just tell them that it needs to be an admin user because we are fetching a lot of information about the appointments and financials. So if they are logging in or syncing with an account that doesn't have admin access, it's not going to work. And lastly, if they change or update their credentials, make sure that you tell them that they have to come in here and update them via the custom menu links as well. Basically, the first time that they do this, they might receive an email from Jane saying that, hey, we have noticed that you log in from a different browser. Obviously, it's because they are using the custom menu link. They can safely ignore that. That's basically our Google Cloud servers that are getting the API token and start the fetch. Now, for those of you that want us to do a full fetch for you, you can contact us using our email address, hello at clinicsyncpro.com. And what we need the private integration key and the location ID of the account that you wanted us to push a full fetch. The reason for that is because we need to do and schedule that manually in the backend. And usually it takes, depending on the load, it takes a couple of days for us to queue that up and start pushing those patients to your GHL. That's that. If you also need any of these snapshots, contact us again. I will send you the snapshots. And if you see any video in regards to AI booking from us or KPI dashboard or return on ad spend dashboard, those are add-on and separate products. Let me know if you want to enable those, and we can do that for you as well. But other than that, that's pretty much it. Lastly, we do have a weekly live Q&A every Tuesday, 3 p.m. Pacific time. Join our Facebook account, and we have a Zoom link in there that we do live weekly Zoom call for anyone that has any question, or even if they're not a client or they're not using our platform, they just want to see how it works and those kind of things. Hop on, and I'm more than happy to help you out. But yeah, just wanna to do a semi-quick video talking about like how you can do some troubleshooting and what is happening most of the time when you think that your sync is broken and it's not working. Anyway, if you have any question, you know how to find me. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.